Hi, my name is Marisa P. I work for Filter Services Incorporated, and we realized when we needed OptimoRoute after the growth that we've seen over the last couple years, we needed to optimize our routing in our warehouse for our deliveries, and we found OptimoRoute, and we felt that this was a good way for us to get the ball rolling, and we've been utilizing it for a couple months, and it's been working really well for us so far. We're really excited about it. My understanding is that we chose Optimal Route because it allowed us to upload our orders into the system with addresses and stuff, and it would be able to auto route it for us. We can assign it to drivers, we could add time periods to it, and it has allowed us to be able to use that and cascade it with the rest of our sales team, our account managers, to be able to kind of track deliveries and be able to provide live updates to the customer when they're calling in asking for updates on their order. So it's been really helpful. I would say that from my understanding, our three favorite things with Optimal Route is one, being able to upload our orders, convenience, and just overall speed is something that it's helped us with our routing. Giving access and allowing other departments to be able to log in and see what's routed for the day and who the driver is and the time that they're supposed to be out there is really helpful. And then the third thing is overall the interface is very user friendly. It's easy to navigate, um, and yeah, I really enjoy the program so far. I would say the optimal route is easy and efficient. Um, those are probably the two words that I would use to describe it. And I would just say it's user friendly. It definitely is provides a lot of different ways that we can use it. And I don't think as an organization we really kind of honed in and figured all of it out, but we are excited to continue to learn about it.